How can you add your BON tag on your Clapper app? We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going, sorry, we will go back. You click here on your photo profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on BON tag. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you add your BO in this list. Can you set your BO here. Then here can you choose tags here about you and interests. So here can you select your tags. Then you click here on save. Then it's going to save with you here automatically on your Clapper app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.